Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic some rules for drawing the ray diagram in convex lens. There are three rules for drawing the ray diagram in convex lens is a ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis after passing through the convex lens they passes through its focus. It means that a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction it passes from the focus of the convex lens. Second, a ray of light passing through the optical center of the lens travel straight without any deviation. Now third rule, a ray of light coming from an object through the focus of a convex lens. It means that if a ray passes from the focus of a convex lens, then after refraction it becomes parallel to its principal axis. Now, image formation in a convex lens, there are 6 positions in convex lens for the different positions of the object and their images. The first one is when the object is placed at infinity. When the object is placed at infinity, the rays coming from it are parallel to each other, and the ray which passes through the focus after passing through the lens goes out parallel to the principal axis, and the ray which is passes through the optical center goes without undeviated. So in this figure, the rays which is parallel to the principal axis after passing through the lens, it meet at the point on the principal axis, that is focus. So image is formed at the focus, and nature of the image is real, inverted and highly diminished. Second is when the object is placed beyond 2f. When object is placed beyond 2f from the convex lens, then the ray which is passing through the optical center of the lens goes through the lens undeviated, and the rays which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction it passes from the focus. Both the refracted rays which meets at the point B dash, we draw the perpendicular line from B dash to A dash on the principal axis. This is the image of the object, and it is clear from the figure the image is real, inverted and smaller in size. Now third position, when the object is placed at 2f, the rays from the object placed at 2f after passing through the lens meet at 2f on the other side of the lens. So the image is located at 2f on the other side of the lens. The nature of the image is real, inverted and same size as that of the object. Now fourth position, when object is placed between f and 2f, then the image is formed beyond 2f, other side of the convex lens, and the nature of the image is real, inverted and magnified. Now fifth position, when the object is placed at focus, that is principal focus. Here again we consider the two rays starting from the top of the object, one ray going parallel to the principal axis, after passing through the lens passes through the focus, and the ray passes through the optical center of the lens, goes out undeviated. The two refracted rays goes out as a set of parallel rays. These parallel rays meet only at infinity. So image is formed at infinity. The nature of the image is real, inverted and highly magnified. Now sixth position, that is very important, when the object is placed between optical center and focus of the convex lens. In this figure, the rays which comes from the object at the point A, which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through the focus, and the rays which is passing through the optical center of the lens goes out undeviated. When these two refracted rays are produced in backward direction, they meet at a point A dash. We draw the perpendicular line from A dash to B dash. This is the image of the object. So the nature of the image is virtual, erect and magnified. Thank you.